In this lesson, we will see together les conjonctions de subordination, but more precisely, we will see tel que. So let's start from the beginning with the question, what is une conjonction de subordination? A conjunction of subordination is a type of conjunction that connects two clauses or sentences in a way that shows a dependent relationship between them. This is really, really important, this concept of dependent relationship between them. So these conjunctions introduce subordinate clauses which cannot stand alone as complete sentences. So this is the second important thing. These clauses cannot stand alone as complete sentences. And they rely on the main clause to make sense. The subordinate clauses typically provide additional information, context, or details to the main clause. So this lesson is about tel que. The conjunction tel que can be translated into various ways in English, including such as, like, and including. So we will see some examples with tel que. Il possède de nombreux talents tels que le chant et la danse. Il possède de nombreux talents tels que le chant et la danse. Ils ont rencontré des défis majeurs tels que le manque de ressources. Ils ont rencontré des défis majeurs tels que le manque de ressources. Il apprécie les arts visuels tels que la peinture et la sculpture. Il apprécie les arts visuels tels que la peinture et la sculpture. Elle a un goût pour la cuisine exotique telle que la cuisine thaïlandaise. Elle a un goût pour la cuisine exotique telle que la cuisine thaïlandaise.